In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the forecast linear function in Google Sheets and add a trend line to your chart. We'll walk through this step by step, helping you visualize and analyze your data more effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you're not sure how, simply navigate to your Google Drive, click on New in the upper left corner, and select Google Sheets. Once you're in, we'll need to click on cell B33. This is where we're going to input our formula, so make sure you have that cell selected. In cell B33, type in the formula, E's forecast, linear, A33, B2, B32, A2, A32. This formula uses the forecast, linear function to predict future values based on your existing data. Essentially, it estimates a dependent value based on the linear relationship of your dataset. After typing in the formula, hit the Enter key. This will compute the forecasted value for the specified input, which can be quite useful when you need to project future trends. Next, focus on highlighting cells A14 to A32. To do this, click on A14, hold down your mouse button, and drag down to A32. This selection highlights the range of data that we'll be extending to include future values. Once you have your initial range selected, click and drag up to A62. This motion is going to extend your original selection and prepare it for the data that we'll forecast next. Now that your range is extended, click on cell B33 again, the one where you just input your formula. Use the autofill feature here. Simply grab the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down to autofill the formula across your newly extended range. This action copies the formula for the new range, generating your forecasted results quickly. Now, let's visualize all this data by adding a chart. Click on the chart option, which you can find in the toolbar above. With the chart open, we need to refine our display. Click on More Options and then select Edit Chart. Here, you'll see the configuration options for your chart. Click on Customize, which will allow you to adjust how your chart looks, making it easier to interpret at a glance. To add a trend line, click on Series. In this section, you'll notice an option for a trend line. Click that, and a trend line will be added to your chart. This line gives you a visual representation of the general direction that your data is heading, making it easier to understand your data's trajectory at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully used the forecast linear function in Google Sheets and added a trend line to your chart. This technique is a powerful way to analyze data trends and prepare for future projections. Thanks for watching and happy charting!